Hello guys, welcome back with AstroAOZA, and today we are doing part 5 to how to build this Minecraft baseball stadium. And in the last one we did the walls, and you need to have the walls done in order to do the dugouts. So the link to that video will be in the description, and probably in the comments also. I'll pin mine. So, to make the dugout, on the one that's closest to first and third base. So if you get to third base, then you go like that. It's that one right there. So one away from the farthest out. You dig all of the bottom out except for the two sides. Then you dig out one more block underneath it. And then two more out. Like this. So you should have this. And then on this one right here, you have to place stairs. And then dig down one more. And then place your stairs in upside down. Like this. That way it looks like stone bricks. And then, on this one you dig down again. And then make it stairs. So, after we have all of that done, then we need to have it go down one more. So, dig out all of these blocks back here. Like those. And then down so it goes all the way to bedrock in a flat world. So this should be 3 blocks deep, so 2 blocks above it. So, there we go, we have that. And now we just need to do that one more time. Just like that. And then we need to fill in the rest of this. So there, once you have that, we are almost done. Then you need to get oak wood stairs and just place them all along. So it should be looking like this. And now, after you're done with the oak wood stairs, you just need to fill in everything else, all the walls with cobblestone, except for this one corner piece right here, and on the other side also. Everything else you fill in with cobblestone. And now we have to do one above the stairs. So there. Now we are almost done. Now with the green terracotta, which is what we use for the walls. If you use concrete, then just use concrete for this. Just bring it out all the way on where the cobblestone goes. But don't have it like that. Just add in another block right there. And then we have to fill all of that in, and then fill in the roof, just like that. So now we have our dugout, and then you just repeat that on the other side, and if I went too fast, then you can always just pause the video. So, wait, yes, we did it right. So now, for one more thing, it's these. You just have to get one block of, like, green concrete and then lime concrete that we used for the grass that I'm still not done with. And then once you get into this one that's farthest, so one away from the dugout, just break it all and then fill it in with the green concrete. And then next to it, make it lime concrete going all the way until when the grass stops. So then you'd have lime going all the way through there until that next wall. And then you have it green, and then lime, and then green, and then lime, and then green, and then lime, and then green, and then lime. So it looks like that. And then that would go all the way to there, this wall. And then the next one would go to this wall, and then to this wall. Then it just keeps going like that. And then it comes back here. And then, once you have, this green concrete, go all the way back here, it would just be like that in the ground. So they connect up like this. So that's what it would look like at the end. So, yeah, I hope you guys, wait. Oh, yeah, it would be like that, because then it would stop right here and then go to there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to make this Minecraft baseball stadium, part 5, the dugouts, and this, like, grass. So, be sure to hit the like button, and, yeah, bye.